Just moving our salt shaker off the table is a good start towards lowering our sodium, but we need to just check a little bit further. Some of us have switched from table salt to other salts. I went to my grocery store and saw all the different kinds of salts that they had and just picked one. I did not compare brand to brand, but it's going to give you a real good idea. 1/4 teaspoon is not much. Coarse, ground, kosher salt. 1/4 of a teaspoon has 480 milligrams of sodium. Table salt that we use, 1/4 of a teaspoon, has 560. Ground sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon, 460. And pink Himalayan salt has 420 for 1/4 teaspoon. On the labels that are on our foods, they might have 2 lines for fats, and they've got all the lines down there that tell you what's in there. There's no good sodium and bad sodium. It's all the same. There's one line. Sodium. A search on the internet was just amazing. There are gourmet salts and seasoned salts. I looked at one that had 5 pages of different kinds of salt. 20 items on each page. Purple, pink, black, red, smoked salt. Anything you want to get. But, folks, that's sodium. It doesn't make any difference where the salt comes from. If it comes from the ground, or the sea, or the mountains, plants, wherever they can get it from. And it makes no difference what color it is. It can be white, black, red, orange, green, whatever it is. It is salt and it is sodium. I've heard people tell me that they switch to a different kind of salt because it's pure and it's good for you. Pure has different meanings. Pure salt does not have any additives to it. It is pure salt. Or it can be, there's nothing in there but pure salt. I needed some help when we started this, so I found out that Target carries all these different Mrs. Dash packages that I could use. Oh, and I was kind of panicked. I thought, yes. So I went to Target, my Target store. It only had 2. Came home and called Target. She asked my zip code and told me which one to go to. They had over 12 of these different packages. They're all sodium free. I bought at least one of each one of them. And maybe you can make a nice dinner with this beef stew, chili, meatloaf, sloppy joe, or the other 8 or 9 that they've got out there. That's good. I went up to check out, and this old gal, probably late 20s, said, "You must really like this stuff." I said, "Well, I haven't tried it yet, but I need help. Got to keep my husband's sodium low." She said, "Oh, I know what you mean. My dad's got heart problems. He has to really keep his sodium down, and I cook for him." So I said, "Have you ever tried these?" She said, "No. We just use pink Himalayan salt." Uh-oh. I said, "Dear, it's got sodium." She said, "I know, but it's pure. It's good for you." I said, you might just want to check with your doctor on that." And she did this thing where you roll your eyes and you go, huh. So I didn't get very far with her. Wonder how her dad's doing today with all that pink Himalayan salt he's using. Here's my little tip. Got you thinking about the different kinds of salt you're using. please subscribe to my channel. If you want to be notified when I put a new little tip out there, click the bell. It'll let you know. I'm going to be posting several a month. Love to hear if I've helped you lower your sodium, because that's my goal.